Today is my annual walk in the park. We come to Ellanor C. Lawrence Park. We have a guided tour through the park for the community. I am a walker, so I'm inviting the community to come out and see our beautiful Ellanor C. Lawrence Park. We have an educational experience when people walk through the park where somebody tells us about the features of the park. We learn about the different creatures that live in the park. And it's a great way to learn about this wonderful resource that was given to us by a family.
I've tailored my tour today to discuss some of the historical structures that we have here. I'll also be pointing out some of the natural resource management projects that we do on this site too, to help protect the habitats in the forests, the streams and the meadows to promote healthy landscapes. I love seeing people connect. I love seeing people connect with one another, with nature, with the deep history of this landscape, and it reminds us why protecting parks like these are so important.
I think one of the great things about this walk is that I get to walk along with community members, find out what they're thinking, asking them, are there services that they need in the county? It's very informal, but it's a great way to talk to people and get to meet them. We have wonderful parks in Fairfax County. It's a great time to relax, take in a little bit of nature, and breathe. People can go to the Fairfax County website and go to Sully District. We have our web page there with information, and we also have a Facebook page so they can get information there.